steel liner pool. There's a few things that the builders don't do that's important, is they didn't put an overflow, and that's really important, to take the excess water away from the pool and to stop the water going down the back of the liner. Once the water goes down the back of the liner, you've got massive problems. 50,000 baht to change it. Then they put a new liner in, and then you've got to paint the existing, trim for it and lacquer it. So we've done that. They've not done that. We've done it. So four spray paints and one lacquer. Then you've got to seal it. You've got to seal the place right round the joints here, and make sure that the skimmer is totally sealed, then the water can't go down the back. Then along here, all the gaps, let the water go down the back of the liner, which is a no-no. So it's up to you, but if you get people to do it and they don't know what they're doing, then you're going to give yourself a headache. The whole thing's massive gaps. I've got my boy away getting grout for the ceramic, and we're going to do that now before we go to another job. You can see yourself how big the gaps are. Now what happens is, the problem with this is, when you wash the tiles with a hose, you didn't see it, the water goes under the trim and goes down the back of the pool. So it's really bad. But you see yourself here how deep it is. There. But you don't fill that in, and the water goes down the back. It's going to cost you 50,000 after a couple of years, or maybe 1 year. Okay. So the trim's very important to have the grout underneath. Okay. Okay. The boys come now, but they would never do it. I've got to do it. Okay. Day 2, put the liner in.